the pipe cup back here. Just gonna go ahead and pull this off, bring it down. This is his existing exhaust system. I'm going to tie in this exhaust system back up to the front. So now that I have this big piece out, I could work with what's left here. And then later on we can unbolt this from here and from here to get his new muffler out, which is pretty nice. So here we go. We got one cherry bomb. All right, this would just have to get picked back up and it would be hung on by that black rubber hanger next to the cherry bomb there. I decided to put the cherry bomb directly into this pipe. There's no sense in making like an extra chunk of pipe. That would just look ugly to tie in here and have like two big welds here. So coming off of this right here, I'm gonna bump this up to 2.5-inch pipe that will go over here. 35 inches of 2.5-inch pipe. 35 inches, magic number, 35 inches. But now I've got this flange here. I'm gonna bump this end up right here just a little bit so this flange won't come off. And then I'll bolt this flange up where it needs to go and then slip this back on the cherry bomb muffler. All right, at the pipe bender, here's what I'm working at. I made a small bevel here. I was thinking I could just put this flush up where it needs to go, but our donut on the other side is huge, so I'm gonna go ahead and over the donut now. Really nice. There's a little bit of donut left here, you know, just a little bit, but with the flange here, sorry about that loud bang, with the flange here, I'll put a 3-inch bolt going through here, bolt nut, and get that done, and then I'll be on to welding and painting my welds. Ow, I just hit my head right after I'm done. Also, I put the our J-hooks here into the rubber hangers, and those will just crisscross over. I'll make that look nice. There's one more hanger up here I got to get a J-hook for, but besides that, that'll go to here. And then I'll make sure all this is up nice and tight, but this job will be done here pretty soon. So, cool. That, yeah, cool. Here we have the almost finished project. I'm gonna take care of that hanger there. I'm gonna take care of these hangers here. And I still have to paint all those welds. Oh, I see a cat whisker. Still rolling.
Basically 2-slot PLM, tri-wide replica header, stainless basic bolt-on.
That does it for this 1992 Honda Preludes custom exhaust. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give me a like, subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching.